So, hello everyone, welcome to Apparelwin channel. Now we are in the biggest fabric market. Jason here.
This is Icy.
Okay, so we will guide you to look around the fabric markets, and if you want to join our live, you can feel free to send us requests. A lot of fabric in this market, and we can get a good price. Fabric showroom, and then we can pick up some fabric, get some free fabric book for you. All the production process. Two kinds of the bag. Okay, you can see the difference. Balenciaga, it is not really. Okay, you see, this is the picture, and also we got different colors here available for you.
Find anything you want here, and it's the world's biggest market here.
So we actually help a lot of fashion brands.
Need the source book for real, cause I got
One kind of category fabric they put that, whether it is okay for waterproof.
No, it's good. Let's do it. Just throw it on it.
Do it. You see there? Waterproof. So anyone, if you need fabric, okay, feel free to talk to us and we can prepare for you. Type yes if you need this fabric also for your jacket.
Yeah.
See here, zoom in. French terry, and then you can see the bell loops on the back. People will see your style is cheap. So yeah, so feel free to send your desire to highlight here. This is our strategy cooperation supplier, and we have so here because we have designer here. So send your logo, we can give you a design. There are many labels here. You cannot see it. This is US million, so you can also I can be your model actually. Neoprene for t-shirt. So we have photographer here. This is Danny. So
Hello.
he is responsible for that. So we have professional team here to help you. Which one you like? Can you see that? My recommendation is this one, the fabric. You see the texture of the fabric? Zoom in, compare. Fabric. When we do washing treatment, then it could be different colors like this. Lighter blue, deeper blue, and dark blue. If your sample delay, then we can catch your deadline. Any questions? Do you guys do wholesale? Yes, we do wholesale for some fabric. No, for some style.